Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install Screencastify. Screencastify is a lecture capture application, and basically how to get to the Screencastify website. You will need to type in your URL www.screencastify.com, and when you type in that web address it will take you to this homepage, which is the Screencastify homepage. And to install the application, you will click on the Add to Chrome button. And Screencastify is a free application, and in order to utilize Screencastify you will need to use the Google Chrome web browser. That is the only way you can utilize Screencastify, because it is a product of Google Chrome. And if you notice to the top right corner, this is the Screencastify icon. I already have it installed within my Google Chrome browser, but nevertheless, in order to install it, you would just click on the Add to Chrome button, and it would take you through the step-by-step process of installing Screencastify. I hope this video has been helpful to you today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.